Jeffrey.
Jeffrey?
I like Jeffrey.
Jeffrey the Tandem?
Yeah.
Hello.
Good morning.
Welcome to the Blonde and the Beard.
Ooh, ooh. So it's Thursday.
Is that your new thing?
Ooh, ooh.
Blonde and the Beard. Ooh,
Ooh,
ooh. Is that
yeah.
our thing now?
Yeah. Ooh, ooh. So it's Thursday morning around 10 AM. We're going to go to the bike rental placey thing. Well, we're going to get an Uber first and then go there. And then we're going to pick up our bike, our ride for today.
Mm-hmm. Yes. We've been watching YouTube videos and all about how to ride tandem bikes.
And all the videos are terrible. Majority of them, not all, but a lot
They're
of
funny.
them. Oh.
You should look them up if you get a chance. It's
Yeah,
funny.
YouTube tandem,
How to ride a tandem.
And it's not cool.
So this is where we're renting our bike from, isn't it?
Yes, sir. So what we calling it? Jeffrey.
Jeffrey?
I like Jeffrey.
Jeffrey the Tandem?
Yeah.
What about... Has to be a girl's name.
Tammy.
After Tammy.
This is our tandem bike for the day. It is huge. I am scared. Let's go. It's so long.
Hill engine, hill engine.
You see that power?
That was like VTEC kicking in right there.
Yeah. VTEC with Amy the engine and
Captain Ramsey.
Jason.
Ramsey.
Captain Ramsey and Amy the engine.
We stopped for a quick pit stop, didn't we? How many miles do you think we've done?
I think we've done, well, I know this isn't accurate, but it says a mile, but it's not picking up the
yeah, okay.
It's doing steps, so I would say about 3 miles, yeah.
We're meant to bike like 20 there and 20 back, but
Yeah.
we'll see how that goes because I got off the bike there and I was like,
Yeah, my
Couldn't
butt was
even walk.
numb, like, the seats aren't that comfortable.
we'll make it work, huh?
Yeah.
Make our way to Santa Monica. So,
We made
after getting totally lost.
Oh, like a million times we ended up on a different, like, bless you. It was like we're always on a bloody highway, like getting here.
Yeah, we're like on the roads, just like not a clue. It's not very well signposted from like Manhattan, Hermosa
Like
area to
a warning in
Venice.
advance before you know it, you've passed the
Yeah,
sign.
we missed so many like turn-ins there, but
Yeah.
we made it. We're on
Here, Muscle Beach.
Venice Beach now, so there's Muscle Beach right there. We need to go get a closer look.
Yeah.
So it's just like being on Grand Theft Auto.
Everything's like being Grand Theft Auto.
Everything in America is Grand Theft Auto.
Yeah.
So referring back to Grand Theft Auto again, as I always do, you might notice these houses, if you've played the very start of it, these houses are like in it. And he's like standing right out the front of it, so that's pretty sweet. I think it's one of these houses over here.
Yeah.
And there's meant to be a bench outside. And this is where they do the first, like, steal the first cars and stuff. Michael Shrink lives in one of these houses as well. Takes all his money. So yeah, A bit of Grand Theft Auto history for you there. Lots of peoples. You just have to scream at them. Get away! Use your bell. We even greeted her and she still didn't do it. So the bike ride's taking its toll. We're like probably not even halfway back yet, but our butts are killing. My gooch is killing me. Amy's butt is killing her. She's getting her stretch on right now. Doing her stretches. How can I stretch my gooch out? Like this. Oh, that's good though.
Oh, this is good though.
By Tammy the Tandem. It was fun.
It was very fun. I am ruined. So we've been cycling for 5.5 hours. Pretty much non-stop, with a maximum of like maybe a 20-minute break.
Yeah.
So we've done a good job. High five.
I've done a really good job. Get your 3D glasses on, people. Trumpets coming out. Was it good?
So good.
Came back to our
Spot.
newfound spot of coffee shop. It's called Catalina Coffee.
So good.
Sitting having our coffee, and Amy was going on about how far we've gone. So we looked it up there and tell them how far we've gone.
30 miles.
15 there, 15 back.
Yeah. Which is on a tandem.
On a tandem. So
That was the first time ever on a tandem.
Amy's probably like you said today, yeah, it's probably the furthest that Amy's
Ever on a
biked
bike.
before.
Been a busy day. Plus we walked 10 miles yesterday.
Yeah.
So
Don't ever look in the camera and try and high five or
okay,
anything.
ready? Again.
After this, back home, chill out for a bit. I'm gonna cook some tea tonight,
I'm gonna
and
edit.
Amy's gonna catch up on the edits again.
So I think we'll leave it here for just now, guys. But yeah, thank you so much for watching Blonde Beard.
And we'll see you tomorrow or some other day. Bye.